and I will be teaching you 3.1, which is about mode, median, and mean.
Woo!
Class, does anyone know the definition of mode? Yes, Mason?
The average of all the numbers?
No.
Oh.
Good guess. It's actually the value that occurs most frequently in the data set. I'll give you another try. Do you know the definition of median?
The number in the middle.
Yes, that is correct. It is the central value of an ordered distribution. What about mean?
Mean is the average of all of the numbers.
Correct. To find the median, you must first order the data in what order? Do you know?
Least to greatest.
Yes. If there's an even number of data, then you find the middle, and the median is whatever is equally between those two numbers. So you do the sum of those two numbers, and then you divide it by 2, and that is the median. And if is an odd number of data, then you just find the middle value. Got it? And for the mode, you find the number that most occurs. Occurs the most. And for the mean, do you know how to compute that, Mason?
Not at all.
First, you add all of the numbers up. Then, you divide by the number of values there are. There are actually 2 different kinds of mean. Did you know that? The first is the sample statistic mean, which is written like this. And the second is the population mean, which is written like this. The equation for the sample mean is x bar equals summation, which is the sum of all the numbers, x, divided by n, which is the number of data values in the sample. And the equation for the population mean is mu equals summation x, which is the sum of all the values, divided by capital N, which is the population, the number of data values in the population. Question, Mason?
Can you explain that squiggly thing once more?
This?
Yeah.
It means summation, and that's when you add up all your data values.
Okay.
Since we all know the definitions and how to do these things, we'll do some practice problems. Here are the number values that I'm going to choose randomly. Mason, what is the first step to find the median?
Write the number of values in order from least to greatest.
Alright, I'm going to do that.
Is that a 10?
Yes,
Ah.
that would be a 10. Now, what is the median? How do you figure that out?
Well, I don't know.
Is there an even or odd amount of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Odd.
Good. Now, how would you like to find the middle number? Good job. And that's how you find the median. Now we've changed to a little different format of teaching. we are going to do a practice problem for finding the mode, which is the most common number in the data sequence. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to put 10 values and then you figure out which one is the mode. That is a little bit more than 10, but it'll work. Find the mode. Correct. Now we are going to do a practice problem for the mean. I'm going to put down 10 numbers, and Mason here will find the mean. Here we go. Can you please explain your steps?
Well, here I'm adding up all of the values. And then next I will divide by the total number of values, which seems to be 10.
Okay. You got this.
So I added them all up and got 82. And then divided by the total number of values, which is 10, to get an average of 8.2.
Well done. Now I'm going to teach you how to find the weighted average. The equation for the weighted average is summation of x and w over the summation of w, where x is the data value and w is the weight assigned to that data value. Suppose your midterm test score is 83 and your final exam score is 95. Using weights of 40% for the midterm and 60% for the final exam to compute the weighted average of your scores. If the minimum average for an A is 90, will you earn an A? We are going to figure that out. So you put it into the equation, which is 83 times 0.4, which would be the percent in a decimal, plus 95 times 0.6, which is 6% in decimal, divided by 0.4 plus 0.6. And then you will get this answer is 33.2, this is 57, and this is obviously 1. And you put that in your calculator and you get 90.2. So yes, you deserve an A.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you.
Alright, now it's time to grade the quiz. Number 1. Correct. Number 2. Did you find something wrong with your work here?
No, I found the middle value by crossing out each number.
What do you have to do first in order to do that?
Oh, put the values in order from least to greatest.
Good job!
Doy.
So now it would be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6. And then you can do that.
Oh.
So it would be 2. Close. Number 3, find the mean. Yes, that is correct. This also could be a decimal. 2.6. And the bonus. Weighted average summation. That is correct.
Woo!
+1. So, missed that. 100%. That's what I like to see. A+. I'm a good teacher.
And that, my friends, is how you find the mean, mode, and median.
Later that day.
Math is a really cool thing. Math is a really fun thing. So get off your act, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.